Update time. So this was where I left things from the last video. We just sort of kind of come across on the kitchen. Now I've come all the way along the back wall here. I've still got the door to put in there, but that's not too difficult to sort out. It's in the bathroom over there. And I've put in the other window for this side. And we've come across the back wall, that will be the bedroom, and we're starting to come along the front. This is going to be as far as I can go before I put in the post under here, the support post, because I'm putting this line of blocks along, and there's a tiny little bow in the platform. So these ones are resting on the slab over here, so it doesn't make any difference. But what I don't want to do is put more weight here and then jack it up later on. So but this will be the last one board I'm putting in for the moment. There will be a Persian blind in that space, and then this will be walled up. There'll be a Persian blind in that space, and then obviously the door over here. Let's go and have a quick look from the other side, see how it looks from the rear end over the other way. Okay, it's looking quite nice. It's a little bit plain, of course, but I shall paint all of those panels different colours, so it will look nicer than that. But even so, it's still coming on pretty good, not too bad at all. Bit of clean up work and lick of paint, just the job.